My cat has gone outside for a minute after our vacation and come back with a bird. And I think it's alive. He's got 2 birds. He's got 2. Wow. And that one's dead. Chauncey, just eat the bird. Unbelievable. Two birds in the mouth is worth unbelievable. Let's get a better picture here. Chauncey, you're no. Shit. Sorry, Chaunce. That was nice of you to offer, but shoot, I gotta go check him. See, we went away and he's bummed. Unbelievable. Okay, here, I'm gonna go outside. I think I just hurt my little buddy. Oh, jeez. Holy shit. Oh, jeez, Chaunce. Chauncey! Chauncey! I'm sorry about that, bud. Yeah. You just get the bird. Unbelievable. And that's my window. And that's dead bird fur. This is one hell of a smart cat. And that's a 10-foot high fence, over 10 feet. And he just fell down there. I appreciate the offer, buddy.